Hello, so this is the basic Canva tutorial. Before we start, please check the link below to go to my Etsy store and check my other templates that you might find it useful. All of my require only free account on Canva, so no pro subscription required. You only need to get my template and ready to use, download them. Check them out, links below. So starting off, when you make the purchase, you'll be given the PDF of the link. Scroll down and you'll find the link. Just give it a click and it will redirect you to the Canva site. A note, if the links somehow don't work, please let us know and we will fix it right away. Now let's use this Instagram story template as an example. Starting off, let's see the edge of the bottom right. You see these buttons. This one slider controls the zooming in or out of the work display. This one to toggle pages view, and this one to show the grid view. With grid view, you can show the entire collection, display all of them in a grid view, and you can scroll down to look for the ones you want to edit. Let's say we choose this one to edit, just give it a double click. Now let's add your own picture to replace the existing picture. To do this, just pull out one of your pictures from your file directory and drag it down to the Canva working space. When it's here, just drag them into the space you want to replace. Now let's say you just want the picture to just exist on top of the other. Just in case, you can move them by dragging the picture, but this time hold Control key for Windows or Command key for Mac, so you can move them around without replacing the space behind them. When you drag your own picture, replacing the one already exists and the quality or color change, you can click on the Edit option, and then this part will show up. Let's choose the Adjust option. In here, you can adjust your picture, or if you want to keep the original quality of the picture, then simply scroll all the way down on this section and choose Reset Adjustments. Now, heads up, you see when I drag this picture and am not holding down my Control key, it does not change the picture behind them. This is because usually there are layers on top of them. So you have two choices. You can delete the layer on top of them, or you can move the layer for a bit, then drag your picture to change it and fix back the layer. Also say that you want to revert back the changes you made. Just press the Control key and Z, or click the Undo button right here, or Redo. Now let's move into the texts. When you click the texts here, you can see these options pops out on the top of the work area. Let's go through of them from left to right. This one is to change the font. Then the size, you can type it in or choose from drop down. Then the text color, bold, italic, underline, strike through, uppercase, text alignment to change its direction if it's a paragraph, lists to make appointed lists, advanced setting to change letter space and line space, transparency to show the slider to change its opacity or just type in the number, the effect to make shadows, highlights, etc., animate to make the text move, usually for video or reels. Then the position, if you want the text to show under a layer or bring a photo or text to be on certain layer, you can change it from here. Now let's move to a grouped items. There are items that say you want to change the text, and when you click it, it shows up like this. To edit the text, just keep on clicking it until the object is selected so you can edit, or you can ungroup them and edit them. But you have to know once they are ungrouped, they are now separated. So when you try to move them, you may move individual item instead of grouped. To make them grouped again, simply undo if you accidentally clicked ungroup, or you can click every elements one by one and holding Shift while clicking them, then choose the group option. Now, say that you are done editing and want to download the file. You can click the Share button on the top right corner, choose Download, choose the file type, JPG or PNG for pictures, PDF for PDF files. For a free version of Canva, you can't adjust the quality, but the quality is already good as is, so don't worry about it. Then select the pages. You can select all or select just a few of your choice. Click Done and Download. Then your file will be downloaded shortly. That was pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, please check my other product on my Etsy page. Currently, we are running a discount for all of our products, so please check them out. These templates I made myself, and I also use it, so I'm glad to share it with you. Please like and subscribe to keep the algorithm going, and thank you so much. See you on my other tutorial video.